Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the minimum balance for bread savings. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally answer it for you. But before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of saving money. Saving money is a crucial part of financial planning. It allows you to build an emergency fund, pay for unexpected expenses, and save for future goals, such as a down payment on a house or a child's education. There are a number of different ways to save money. You can open a savings account at your bank, invest in stocks or bonds, or even start your own business. But no matter how you choose to save, it's important to set realistic goals and stick to your budget. What is the minimum balance for bread savings? Now that we've talked about the importance of saving money, let's get back to the question at hand. What is the minimum balance for bread savings? The answer to this question depends on a number of factors, including your individual financial situation and goals. However, as a general rule, you should aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in your emergency fund. This will help you cover unexpected costs, such as a car repair or a medical emergency. Once you've built up your emergency fund, you can start to save for other goals. For example, you may want to save for a down payment on a house, a new car, or a child's education. How to save for bread savings? There are a number of different ways to save for bread savings. Here are a few tips. Set realistic goals. The first step to saving money is to set realistic goals. How much money do you want to save? By when do you want to save it? Once you have your goals in mind, you can create a budget and start saving. Create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money. It will help you track your expenses and make sure that you are on track to meet your savings goals. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to save money is to automate your savings. This means setting up a direct deposit from your one paycheck to your savings account. This way, you won't even have to think about saving money. Find ways to cut back on your spending. There are a number of ways to save money by cutting back on your spending. For example, you can cook your own meals instead of eating out, shop for discounts, and take advantage of free or low-cost activities. Invest your money. Investing your money can help you grow your wealth over time. However, it is important to do your research and understand the risks involved before investing. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for saving money. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling to save money, don't be afraid to ask for help from a financial advisor or a friend or family member. Don't give up. Saving money can be a challenge, but it's important to be patient and persistent. If you stick to your goals, you will eventually reach your financial goals. In conclusion, the minimum balance for bread savings is a personal decision that depends on your individual financial situation and goals. However, as a general rule, you should aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in your emergency fund. Once you've built up your emergency fund, you can start to save for other goals, such as a down payment on a house, a new car, or a child's education. There are a number of different ways to save for bread savings. Some tips include setting realistic goals, creating a budget, automating your savings, finding ways to cut back on your spending, and investing your money. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.